neighbors of El Camino Street did not like pets.
Shoo! Shoo!
They did not like kids.
Who stepped in my tulips?
They did not like people with big families.
Keep it down, I'm trying to sleep.
They never had any guests and spent their day cleaning their houses, tending their gardens, and snoozing on their porches. When the new family on the block moved in, a mom, a dad, 3 kids, and a fish, the neighbors kept an eye out for trouble. Yet life remained as usual until the day the visitors arrived.
Honk honk beep beep.
What's that driving up the way?
Honk honk beep beep.
Is it coming for a stay?
Honk honk beep beep.
Oh, it's bigger than an elephant, taller than a bus.
It's slowly rolling to a stop right in front of us.
The biggest camper they ever saw pulled up. It took up half the block.